Facebook part? And it said none. How did you find that?
I got off the website because I was getting
Okay, but
We're really experiencing a classic squall line. It's rare in San Diego County. I'm here in the Panican Del Mar. You see this in Texas. You don't see this around here. Check it out. Oh, yeah. And this is Chris. Say hi, Chris.
Hello. Hello.
And there's Sonia.
Will you tag me in this?
And I'm Juan Valdez. Just kidding.
Let's do our part for Earth Day. We continue to only impact
Look at the fish hook spin up here. Fish hook spin up, man. I'm going to make a movie of this and post on Facebook. Look at that fish hook. It's dissipating now. I-5 is coming out of Del Mar, northbound, is just not moving. Traffic is mayhem right now. Look at that rain. We don't get that here very often. I don't know what happened. I don't know if this is just an accident, but I'm hearing a million sirens right as the fish hook went overhead and trees are agitated. There's some wind. It could just be a little accident, but I've been hearing sirens and I smell gasoline.